Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will discuss some IoT projects for beginners. So let's get started. A huge shout out to Altium and JLCPCB for sponsoring this video. Number 15. If you're always occupied with work or remain out of the house most of the time, then there are chances you can forget to feed your fish. But no more with this smart fish feeder. With this, you can feed your fish from anywhere just with the tap of your smartphone. It has two options. First is to feed instantaneously, and second to schedule it for later. In the hardware setup, a servo motor is connected to a screw that drops a finite amount of fish food into the tank when any of the feeding options is selected. So now the fish will be happy by getting the food on time. Number 14. Our next project is an automatic fan speed controller. Whenever the temperature crosses the threshold value, the fan starts operating. This speed increases with the increase in temperature. The threshold temperature can be easily adjusted on the application. The ambient temperature and the fan speed can be viewed on the LCD as well as on the dashboard. The dashboard is easy to set up. You just need to create widgets and assign a name and a virtual PIN number to them. Number 13. Sometimes it becomes hectic to manually open and close your garage door, but by making it smart, you can make the process simple. For this, you will require an ESP8266 module. It is placed at the ceiling of the garage and the door movements can be controlled from your smartphone. The magnetic sensors at each end of the door ensure its complete opening and closing. Some additional sensors are also soldered to the PCB. They can be used to detect temperature, humidity, and unnecessary motion in the garage, thus giving additional security to your house. Number 12. Are you also concerned about the water quality you are drinking? Then make sure to try this project. It measures the total dissolved salts and the water temperature and displays these readings on an OLED display. And if you're not at home, you can still check the readings anytime on the dashboard. The readings are shown in the form of graphs for an easy representation, and if the dissolved salts increase beyond the permissible limit, you can take the necessary actions on time and always keep your loved ones safe. Number 11. A smart home is one of the important applications of IoT, and before making your home smart, check this simple project where you can control the status of electrical loads using a smartphone. For this, you will need to create a thing on the IoT cloud and put the devices as the variables. After setting up the device, a device ID and secret key will be generated. Create a web layout on the dashboard, follow the circuit diagram, upload the code, and you're good to go. Now you can control the electric loads easily using a smartphone. Number 10. In your home or office, if you are bored of manually operating a switch, then we have a simple solution that will make things easy for you. Using the smart socket, you just need your smartphone to control a particular AC load. Inside the socket lies a circuit that contains an ESP8266, a relay, some transistors, and resistors. You just need to insert this smart socket over the electric board and keep the switch open, connect the load on it, and now control its status using your smartphone. Pretty easy to control anything, right? Altium is a PCB design software that is both powerful and easy to use. With its intuitive interface and comprehensive set of features, Altium Designer makes it easy to create high-quality PCB designs. And with all new Altium 365, now you can share your PCB designs to anyone from anywhere with a single click. And to convert these designs to real-life PCB boards, look no further than JLCPCB. They provide all types of PCB services and assembly at very competitive prices. Their high-quality PCBs, accompanied by quick delivery and great customer service, make them the perfect partner for your electronics projects. Check out the link in the description below to find out more about Altium Designer and JLCPCB. Number 9. Various devices that we use today operate using batteries. Their improper use or storage may lead to explosions. So it becomes important to monitor the status of batteries to keep the device working. With this battery monitoring system, the voltage level and charging-discharging status of a battery can always be kept in check. The circuit may look pretty simple, but it will get the job done for sure. This project can be modified on large scale to monitor the battery status of cars or remotely located battery banks on your smartphone. Number 8. Our next project is a multi-purpose IoT tracker. One of its features is that it can act as an SOS device. By just pressing a button, the current location of the tracker can be sent to a smartphone, and it can make even a call to a particular number. The location can also be obtained by sending an SMS to that device using your phone. It contains a rechargeable battery that can be charged either using a micro USB or a Type-C cable. With all these features, this tiny compact project may help many people when they are in danger. Number 7. Using a phone to keep a track of the weather updates may be fine. But for precise weather conditions of the ambient, you can rely on this mini weather station setup. It requires a temperature and humidity sensor. The readings are displayed on the OLED display, and using the Blink application, it can be viewed on the smartphone also. The widget showing the readings can be easily created on the app. To view the data easily, you can even add a graph on the dashboard. Number 6. There is a huge probability that you might have seen this watch or you still have one. To bring back good old memories, this project will teach you how you can recreate this clock on different displays. The ESP32 fetches the current date, day, and time for the internet and shows it on a display. The display contains an image of the clock in the background. To show the details, you will have to make the same sized fonts, and with a simple code, you are ready to view the date and time on the display. Among all these displays, which one will you prefer to use? Number 5. In tightly packed rooms with no proper ventilation, the carbon dioxide concentration may build up very quickly. High CO2 concentration may have serious issues on our health. That's why it becomes important to regularly check the air quality, and with this project you can also measure the temperature and humidity along with the CO2 levels. All these readings can be viewed on an OLED display or on the dashboard. The dashboard allows you to view the instantaneous values as well as the time-based trend. Number 4. With this project, you can monitor the Bitcoin price anytime. Having a price ticker at your desk has many benefits. In the display, you can see the current Bitcoin price, the last updated time, the change in price, and a graph to easily view the change over a period. For this, you just need to copy the API, place it in a code, and upload it to the board, and your Bitcoin ticker is ready to display the data. Number 3. In case of a fever, we rely on a thermometer to measure our body temperature. With this project, you will learn to build a smart thermometer that shows real-time data on a web page. The web page allows you to control the device's on-off status. Though this project might take some time due to complicated soldering, you will learn a lot by following this project. The ESP module in the thermometer remains in the deep sleep mode most of the time, which saves power and improves the battery life. Number 2. Our next project is a simple setup to control the servo movement over the internet. This can come in handy in various advanced applications. For this, you need to install a custom image to the Raspberry Pi and create a game on the dashboard. The camera allows the remote user to view the current position of the servo motor, and with the keyboard control, the servo movement as well as the turning speed can be changed. As the user disconnects, the servo returns to the home position. Number 1. If you are fond of reading and collecting books, then sometimes it becomes difficult to keep a track of every book you have. And in case you want to buy a new one, there may be a point when you don't know whether you already have this one or not. In that case, you can use this project to verify that. You just need to enter the ISBN number of a particular book, and it will check whether you have this book or not. And with that, you can pretty easily sort a large collection of books or any other thing that you are interested in collecting. So these are some of the IoT projects that you can try if you're a beginner. Drop a like and subscribe to our channel to keep supporting us. We'll see you again. Goodbye.